Good evening, everyone. I think in the previous session we have seen how can we write a HTML program, why do we use HTML program, and what are the 6 heading tags of HTML. In today we'll continue the concept. We'll write here first. Today I'm going to show you how to write an HTML program for paragraphs. Okay, see. Right here. HTML program. To write paragraphs. Okay, now. So in the first class, I discussed very clearly that HTML is a structured language. Means what there is syntax for the HTML to be followed. So what is the syntax? We write here in the tag format. Okay, less than greater than symbols. Consider like combine the represent tag. Okay, in this what we write HTML open, HTML close. So we close HTML with the help of slash. Right? Now inside this again we type head open and head close. Head is nothing but the top part of the HTML, your web page. Okay. Inside part is represented with the body tag. Which tag? Body tag. Okay, just a minute. Suppose I'm giving the title. So what is the title? Suppose I'm giving here my or else website 2. Website 2. So if you run the command, if you run the browser, in the browser you'll get the title as website 2. See, the title is website 2. Now, suppose in the body, I'm just keep on writing the text. We can take the dummy text from Google. We have a website with the name Lauren Epsom. Okay, it provides dummy text. You can copy some text from here. It only provides the dummy text. Only for the dummy text purpose I'm using this. Now, if we refresh the browser, see. It is perfectly displaying the text on the browser. There is no problem in this. Okay. Now suppose the text is ending here, right? Okay. Again, I'm copying the same text down to that. Okay. So now if I go to the browser and refresh it, see, it is continuing from the previous word only. In the program, I've taken it to next line. I've not started from here. See, I've not started from 1500s. I've taken it to next line. But here it is starting from where after 1500s. Is that the right concept? No. So what we'll do is, in order to take it to the next line, after the last word we'll write BR tag. Which tag? BR. BR means for break. Okay. See now, if I refresh it, we come into the next line. But if you observe here, it is coming in a very clumsy format. There is no spacing between the lines. It's looking very clumsy and inappropriate. Okay. So how can we solve the problem? See. So we can represent this in the paragraph format. We can represent this in the paragraph format. So paragraph is always having a tag with the name. It is represented with the tag P. So P open and at the end P close. In between whatever text is there will come in the paragraph format. Same thing for the second one also. P open and P close. Okay, so now refresh the browser. Because of the paragraph tag, your text is also looking quite neat and the spacing is coming automatically between the lines. Okay, suppose I'm taking again paragraph tag. I'm copying the same text. I'm having 3 lines now. So automatically go to the next line. See. Automatically go to the next line. Okay, that is the advantage of using paragraph tag if you are having a long text. Okay, that's a basic example for paragraph tag. Represented by what tag? P. Okay, I hope there are no dots in this. Now, let's go with the next concept. Okay, let's see how to write list in paragraph. Sorry, how to write list in HTML. Okay, now basically, what is the meaning of list? Suppose I want to create a to-do list where I'm just checking I can do all my activities on a time basis. Okay, so right here H3. H3 stands for what? Heading 3. And in this I write to list. So if I refresh the browser, I'll be getting the heading as to-do list. Right? If I want to underline that, you can simply write U tag. After H3, you can write U. U open and U close. Okay, check it. Getting the underline also. Now after this, I need some data in the list format, like wake up early, have a breakfast, exercise, not in the list format. That is either in the numbering format or in the bullets format. Either in the numbering format or in the bullets format. So how to do it? See. In HTML, we have two types of list. One is called as ordered list. Second is called as unordered list. Okay, ordered list in the sense what? It will give you the data always in the order format. That is 1, 2, 3 format. Something like this. Okay, and unordered list means what? It will give you the data always in the bullets format. In the bullets format. So ordered list is denoted using over tag. Okay, and unordered list is denoted using UL tag. Clear? Now it's up to you which list you want to use. I'll show the examples of both. Okay, see. So right here, OL first, ordered list. Break it down into two parts, and inside this, each and every element is represented using li tag. Which tag? Li. Li means list. What is the first element? Waking up. Okay, now refresh the browser and check it. Okay, the first number is coming there, serial number 1, and the task is waking up early. Now, if I write here exercise, it won't come. Okay, serial number will not come as 2. So to get that as 2, I should write again li and write eat good food. Okay, so like this, you should take again li tag and give your activities. Suppose exercise. Refresh. So like this, as you increase the li tag, the numbers will also increase in the output. In the same way, they create what will create the what will say another list also. So suppose I take here H3 again and I write grocery list. This can be another. So write human. Okay. Excuse me. So here each and every element should be represented with li tag. Okay. So right here, suppose buy cool drinks. Again, I take li and I write here buy toothpaste. Okay. Buy bathing soap. Okay, so if you just go to the browser and refresh it, see, because of H3 tag, you're getting the heading as browser list, and because of UL tag, whatever elements are given there, it is coming in the bullet format. So OL always represents ordered list, that is 1 to 3 format, and UL always represents unordered list, that is bullet format. So depending upon your requirement, you can select the list. Okay. Now, this topic is clear. Let's go with the next topic. Now suppose I want to access Google's page. So how will I do it? I'll take a new tab and I'll write www.google.com. Right? If I press enter, it will go to the Google page. Correct? But I'm saying that instead of accessing from a new tab, I want to access from my website. Suppose in the website you find some hyperlinks. Correct? In the sense what? You'll find a link, register, login and all. If you click on register, take you to be registered with Facebook account. Correct? External links will call it. We'll call them as external links. In the same way here also, to display an external link in your website, we will use a tag called anchor tag. What is the tag name? Anchor tag. Anchor is represented with the tag E. With the tag E. In between I write here Google. And right here Google. Now if you go to the browser and refresh it, it is simply acting as a text. It is not acting as a hyperlink. It is acting as a text. To convert into the hyperlink, inside this A tag will give a space. Inside the A tag will give a space and write href equals to. Href is for reference, for which site you want to pass the reference. So what is the reference for Google? It is www.google.com. What is the address? www.google.com. Copy that web address of Google. Right click and copy the web address. Okay. Now come to the pie chart and in between the double quotes you paste it. Between the double quotes you paste it. So now once you go to your website and you refresh the browser, it convert into hyperlink. See, arrow mark is coming. You convert into hyperlink. See, if I'm hovering on that Google text, it is converting into a figure form thing. If I select that, on that website only Google page will open. On that site only Google page will open. Check it again. I'll go back. There's my website. Website 2. And here I'm writing, selecting Google. So it's going to the Google page. So like this you can connect external links to your website. But the problem here is you're saying that, sir, if I select this Google link, it is opening on that page only. But in real time, if you select that Google link, it will open in another tab. No? It will open in another tab. How can we do that? See. To do that, after this double quotes will pass target equals. Target means what? You want a separate page or you want a separate tab and all that means target. So we have different methods: underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore self, underscore top. The best method is underscore blank. Underscore blank means what? I need a blank tab. Whenever I select that link, it should open a new tab. Okay, refresh it and check it. See, you'll open a new tab for Google. Your website will be staying there only, but a separate page for Google will be open. Getting it? So like this you can access hyperlinks from your website. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so today you practice the 3 programs. If any doubts are there, please let me know. I'm going very slowly so that you can understand the concept in depth. Okay. Practice this. If any doubts are there, please let me know. Okay. Bye.